What's up? It's Jati Jones. I'm going to give you a quick and painless way to get a girlfriend faster. So this video is for you if you genuinely really want to attract your dream woman, whether it be a quality girlfriend or a girlfriend that you eventually want to make your wife. So what is this pain-free way of accelerating you getting a girlfriend? It involves paper and this pen. If you want to accelerate, if you want to speed up the rate that you get a girlfriend, I want you to seriously sit down with a nice journal. Okay, this is a nice quality journal and a nice pen. And I want you to sit down and take the time for an hour, 2 hours, 2 days, 3 days, and write down exactly your ideal woman, your ideal relationship, all the detailed things that you want in her and in your relationship. So, why does this accelerate you getting a girlfriend? It is because before you can see something out there, you have to first see it in here. Let's say that again. Before you can see something out there, you first have to see it in here, meaning you have to have a very clear vision of what it is that you want. Now, I assume you're watching my videos because you don't want to be just average. You want to be one of the exceptional men. And I'll tell you this, average men don't write out their goals and don't write out their relationship visions. But the exceptional men, the guys who date the women they truly want, they take paper and they take pen and they take the time to write out their vision. You need to understand how your mind works. Your mind works in pictures and your mind works with clarity. The clearer your picture is of your mind of what it is that you want, the faster your mind is able to bring it into manifestation. Okay? If you're not clear about what you want, that's usually why you don't end up getting what you want, or what you want takes a very long time to come to you. The exercise of taking the time, the hour, the 2 hours, the 2 days. When I wrote mine down, it was pages and pages and pages long. I kept writing for about 5 days or something, right? Until I had all the details. Well, when you're writing down, you're getting clarity and you're getting detailed. You're getting details and you're being specific. That's what the mind works with. It works with specificity, with clarity, with details. So write down your ideal woman, your ideal relationship as detailed as possible. Don't be lazy. And I promise you, this can be a great accelerator to bringing your dream woman and your dream relationship into your life. It's worked for me. It's worked for countless students that I've coached, and it will work for you too if you get serious and do it. And a final tip, I want you to write your vision as if it is a story. Okay, happening in the present tense. I'm so happy and grateful now that I am in a beautiful relationship with my dream girl. I wake up every morning and look over and she's lying there. Okay, we are so happy together as we sit down on the couch, watch movies, and eat chips. Okay, it's in the present tense. Don't write I want, I will, nothing in the future. It has to be present tense. So get your pen, get a nice journal, and be the author of your own life. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and check out my free one-page cheat sheet, which I have included for you in the description box. It allows you to know when a woman is sexually interested in you, so you know that she likes you before you have to make a move on her. The link is in the description. Take care. Peace.